3 stages of malaria. What is malaria? Malaria is a life-threatening disease caused by parasites of the genus Plasmodium, transmitted to humans through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. It's a major public health problem, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. What are the 3 stages of malaria? Malaria infection typically involves 3 stages: a cold stage, a hot stage, and a sweating stage. These stages are characterized by specific symptoms as the body responds to the parasite and the body temperature fluctuates. Let's see the time periods of these stages of malaria. These stages can last for 4 to 8 hours in total, with the cold stage lasting 15 to 60 minutes, the hot stage lasting 2 to 6 hours, and the sweating stage lasts about 2 to 4 hours. While these stages are typical, the timing and severity can vary depending on the specific malaria parasite species and individual factors. Let's discuss them in details. Number 1. Cold stage. This stage is marked by shivering, chills, and a feeling of coldness. The body temperature gradually rises during this phase. This stage lasts about 15 to 60 minutes. Number 2. Hot stage. Following the cold stage, the body temperature rises dramatically, sometimes reaching 41 degrees centigrade. Symptoms include fever, headache, nausea, and vomiting. This stage lasts about 2 to 6 hours. Number 3. Sweating stage. As the fever breaks, the individual enters the sweating stage. Profuse sweating occurs, and the body temperature gradually returns to normal. This stage lasts about 2 to 4 hours. It's important to note that these stages may not always be distinct or occur in the same order for every individual. And not everyone will experience the classic paroxysm.